Hi, it's your creative Nigerian graphics. So now I want to create a food brand design. So if you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. So whenever I put the video, you'll be the first to get it. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so let's check what we need for the design. So the first thing we need to do is to create the background. So create the background. So we'll have our background here, we'll drag it in. So this is our background. Let's size it. Alright. So these are our layer. These are layers. Where we see our layers. These are corner panel. These are our tools. So please take note of that. Okay, so let's bring in the image. It's nothing high. This design is a very short and simple design. Let's bring in the image and place the image right where it's supposed to be placed. So that is it. Let's get to it. Okay, so placing the image. Perfect. And as you can see, the image in the background is very high resolution. Okay, let's bring in this. Okay, so let's bring the logo. This is our logo. So this logo will give it a white. So white. All right. Okay, let's come in. I want to move this white background on this logo. Nope. So we zoom in to see what we are doing. We zoom in to see what we are doing. So that is that on that. So let's on back our effects. So boom, we got it. So Control O to bring it to the page size. Control O to the page size. Take note of that. Control O to the page size. Okay, so let's continue. So let's write the text. But look like I'm going to bring this image down a bit. Let's bring it down a bit. Understand? Alright. Okay. Let's put in our text. So one shawarma endless flavor. Okay, that is that on that. So I've control X. I want to separate the text from each other. Control X to separate the text, then Control V. So let's change this font. Let's change the fonts. So change the font. Nah. Okay. This look catchy. This look catchy. Let's try it. Let's change this color to somehow like orange, something like this. Okay, yellow. Yes. Yes. That's yes. Okay. Okay. Control C to select like this, and click and drag to drag it. I hope you know that. Let's change this to let's increase a little bit. Okay. So let's give the tagline. Certify your crave increases with a flavor flavored parts. Shawarma. That will leave you wanting more. Yeah, so we got that. So all those need to know just to know how to arrange your text and use to design, and this is perfect. Understand? So we've gotten that. I'm gonna change the fonts. Just that, like I said, there are rules to designs. There are rules to designs. We'll make this one on medium, monastery. and medium. You can't be using thick on thick. You can't make the title thick and the subordinate thick. You have to make that one light. That's how I to designs. As your title is thick, the subordinate has to be light to give it that catchy look. Don't make it too bogus. Understand? Don't make it too bogus. To make it simple and your eyes will read it well. So as I use a thicker font for the title, the subordinate I use a lighter font. That's the rules you design. So please take note of that. Let's make sure that one the same, that centralized. By by doing that, you hold your shift. You click, you click, and you click. Then you come up here, this line here, then you click it to make sure that it's centralized. So that is all. That's all. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. So come here, take a rectangle, we draw something like this. Something like this. With this. Come here, change the color to this. Move the outline and right. We are good to go. And let's flip it like this. And we say order now and enjoy. Order now and enjoy. So let's change the color to white. Let's come in. No. Let's take it closer a bit, closer a bit. Alright, so we give it to mustard medium. And bring it in. Bring it in. You're going to change this color. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color. Change the color to a brownish color. Let's see. So let's give the black. Let's give the black. But that black, something brownish like this. Okay. Let's pick our color from the shawarma. Perfect. So this is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So we'll come here want to put our text down here, and you can see putting our text down here, it will affect the text without a proper treatment. So what you are supposed to do is to give it a little bit of darkness so it will affect the text. So by doing that, we'll come here, we'll create a layer. By doing that, create a layer, then you pick your black color, come to your paint bucket. As you can see it, you click it and click on this. So you click on layer marks, create layer marks, you click on it, then click on B or brush tool. You can see brush tool, then increase it, then let's clean it up. Okay, see it's not clean, you come here, change, you take it down, you swap it, you switch the foreground, you switch it, then you clean. Perfecto. So you can see that. Let's reduce the copper plates a little. Okay, so we clean. I think it's okay. So let's come here and write, place your order. Please, let's increase it. Let's see what I'm doing. Place your order. Yeah. All right. So Control A, I will change it to white. Understand? So you see how the text come up now. Let me off this white, this black, this stuff. Let me off it. You see, you can see the difference. All right, let's go. Okay. So place your order here. Let's bring it this thing. Logo. Okay. Reduce it. Let's take off the background. There are different ways to taking off background. Different ways. You can use this your polygonal tools. Take out the background. You can use your quick selection tools, magic wand tools. Understand? You can use magic eraser tools. Understand? So let's use this. Wow. Okay. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. So we change it to white. You can see. Then we bring in our child X. Okay, I have child X. So we'll do same thing. So we'll remove the background. Let's zoom in. Background. So then we give it to white. So we come here to our blending option. Then we pick our color overlay, zero on white, and we click OK. So we're almost done our design. There's nothing really hard there. Okay. Okay. Let's be careful. So I think we're done with that. Let's increase a little bit. So we can work on this image. You come to our filter and camera raw. So we come into our basic image, temperature, let's click temperature, and tints and exposure, contract. Shadow. Let's give it, just make it a little brighter. Next time. Picture. Sharpness. You sharpen it in using the it's okay. You see? The difference is clear. Alright, so that is that on our food brand design. So follow for more, follow for more, follow for more. Click, please subscribe and follow for more. Comment. So see you in the next video. I'll add the resources under this video. So in case you want to do yours, so feel free to do it. So thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot.